Okay, so hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a global high score variable, which means like if somebody gets like a new high score, which no one has got before in your game, it's gonna save that score, and then other people can come and see it, and they could try and beat it.